Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to insert text box in WPS Office. If you want to do it, first you need to move your cursor to the upper side and then you need to click on Insert tab. Here you can find really useful functions. One of them is text box. We need to click on this one icon. Then we will be able to insert horizontal, vertical or multi-line text boxes. And now you need to select one from few available types of text boxes. For example, I select here horizontal text box and I draw it somewhere here. Now I will be able to insert here a text. So I'm going to change the font size maybe to 20 and I type here simple text. Of course you can modify text box colors if you want. You can change the shape fill. I click on this one icon to do it. And for example, I select here green. You can change shape outline if you want. I click on this one icon and for example I click here on black. So in this way you can easily modify text boxes in WPS Office. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.